Remember this night. The age of dragons has returned.
CapCut's AI video generator is insane. In the next few minutes, I'll turn an image into cinematic clips with motion and sound. If you're a creator who wants studio-quality motion from images or prompts without learning a new editor, this is for you. I will show you how to make viral ASMR videos using Video 3.0 and Video 2.0 in seconds. Next, we will see how to use Veo 3 for cinematic videos. I'm using CapCut Pro. I've got 1,200 AI credits, and I'll show the exact costs per clip. Stay till the end. I'm going to show you the one trick to change scenes for a story. Open CapCut. Here we can see the option AI Video. Click on that. There we go. In AI Video, pick Image to Video, Video 3.0, that is, Seedance. I'm choosing 5 seconds, which costs 25 credits for one generation. It also supports 10 seconds. Upload image. Describe motion in 1 sentence. Keep verbs concrete. Knife slices open rock. Rainbow glue pours out. Generate. It's fast. Now we got to add sound. We can search knife cutting in audio sound effects and pick one. And perfect. We have our viral ASMR clip. Pause and run your first Seedance clip now. I'll be here when you hit play. Same image to video. Choose Video 2.0. Pick 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Describe motion. This model leans realistic, so avoid wild physics. Be literal. Generate, then I reuse the same sound effect. Seedance feels stylized. Video 2.0 gives weightier near natural motion. Drop a comment, Seedance or Video 2.0, which looks better? Now we select AI text to video. Here we select Video 3.0. I'm going with 5 seconds. This too uses up 25 credits. Now I got my prompt with the help of ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste it in and press generate. There, we have the result. This is exactly what I envisioned. Let's add some sound effects. Now play the final video. That's perfect. Now for the bonus trick on how to link scenes to make longer videos. First, find the last frame in the video and take a screen capture. Then go to the Image to Video option and import the screenshot. And type the description of a follow-up motion. Just generate. We have our results. Instant sequel shot with smooth continuity. Wow, I love it. Tip: if continuity breaks, use the end frame screenshot again and reuse key nouns plus verbs from the prior prompt. Now pause and chain one follow-up scene right now. It's addictive. Choose Veo 3 in text-to-video, that is, Video 4.0, paste the prompt. I drafted this in ChatGPT. It outputs an 8-second clip with audio baked in for 350 credits. That is pricey, but for scripted lines plus sound design in one pass, it's unbeatable for hero moments. Generate.
Remember this night. The age of dragons has returned.
That is so good. If you try Veo 3, comment Veo test. Quick recap. Today we 1. Turned an image into motion with Seedance stylized. 2. Did it again with Video 2.0, more realistic. 3. Generated a text-to-video clip in Seedance. 4. Used the end frame trick to change scenes. And 5. Tested Veo 3 for 8 seconds audio-ready shots. Alright, now you've seen what CapCut's AI video generator can really do with Seedance, Runway, and Veo 3. Pretty crazy, right? But here's the thing. These results get 10 times better when you start with the right AI-generated images. So if you want a full tutorial showing exactly how I create those images inside CapCut step by step, comment AI image and I'll make it for you. And next, watch my tutorial on CapCut AI Video Maker to learn how to make viral videos in seconds without any effort. You can completely automate your faceless channel with this feature. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment telling me which model blew your mind the most, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next AI shortcut. Also, I have a free prompt pack for you to try with Veo 3 or Seedance down in the description. Check it out if you're interested. See you next time.